Me one for you? Come back in a minute.
He's seen the whole tyre had literally come off the car. So guys, welcome to a new video. We've just landed in Telford for Ultimate Dubs. I'm here with Kyle from Ace Raps. Now what I'll do is I'll link his Instagram and stuff down in the bio down below. We just literally made it to the hotel and we're gonna get some food, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up nice and early. What are we gonna see?
All German cars,
yeah,
pretty much. If you haven't got rotor-form wheels or airless suspension, you're not allowed in.
I just thought I'd start the video now because tomorrow morning I'm going to be absolutely hanging because I'm just terrible in the morning anyway. So yeah, catch you in the morning. Any of you watching that's looking to kind of do YouTube yourself, it ain't easy. I don't know, basically I haven't been to a car show in a very long time, and I guess I just feel a little bit nervous. You've got to be a different caliber of person to be able to kind of carry a camera around and have that kind of spotlight on you and have that attention on you. Because you get a lot of it. I don't know, it's just been a while, so hopefully the video goes alright. Some would say that you don't go travelling very often.
All prepared, mate.
You're a fucking extension lead, mate.
Travel the world, mate.
See ya. Weather is looking pretty fresh today. Finally on our way, hopefully gonna film some really nice cars. We'll see. There she is. I better show the guys your car a little bit quick. Should we do a little 1 minute walk around of Kyle's car? Are you ready?
Go.
Okay, go.
It's an Audi RS4, B7, 2006 model. Fully custom front grille, bought genuine RS4 grille, and then fully converted it with an RS6 grille, C7, plaster molding together, custom one-off front splitter, carbon fibre, tinted lights, full wrap, obviously done by me.
Oh yeah, obviously, just a little background of you. You actually wrap cars, don't you?
Yeah, been doing it 14 years, so I think I got an idea what's going on now.
Exactly, yeah.
Full Lamborghini wheels with the wider ones on the rear and smaller ones on.
Do you?
Just under 10,000 for the wheels.
10 grand for the wheels.
Just under, yeah, with tyres and spacers. In the centre console, then you also see the airlift suspension, which I've moulded in. And just,
these seats are so nice.
So turn it on and roll it forward for you. I imported that rear boot from America, very hard to get hold of, tiny recess if you look.
Oh, also the small recess.
Yeah. Also very hard to get hold of these rear LED lights as well, they come from America.
It's like basically fully kitted out then?
It's about £26,000 of modifications.
Jesus Christ. There's a 2 minute roundup of Kyle's car. I'll link him down in the description.
Exit the roundabout.
Yeah,
basically I'm on the guest list. My name's on there.
Okay, just park on the right hand side, public park, as you go right and right again, young sir.
Okay.
Young sir.
We have made it to the Telford International Centre. We're going to go in and get our VIP, or you know, it's not even it's not a VIP. It's just like a free pass to get in before it gets too hectic. So we might have a little look around outside to see what cars there are, and then we'll head in and see the show trade stands and all that kind of shit. All that shit. I just spotted something which reminds me of my old car. But this, oh my god, this is literally perfect. Oh my god. Jesus. What the fuck? That was literally what I wanted to mine, man. Oh, fuck's sake. Very jealous. Maybe one day I'll get another 355i. Maybe one day.
Watch this.
Happy with your cleaning?
No.
What are you doing now?
No, I'm starving. I'm not eating cold Domino's. No chance.
You're not eating cold? Cold's nice though. What the fuck are you doing?
Warming it up.
What do you mean you're warming it up?
One for me, one for you?
Yeah, oh.
Back in a minute.
I don't know how it's gonna taste though.
Like carbon. That's 4,500 revs.
Is it warm?
It's getting there. Getting there.
It is very, very hard to actually like talk in here. The music is so loud, and also like copyrighted music as well. So apologies, I'm not going to be able to film that much indoors. So the show's basically made up of like 3 main rooms, I think. So the room that I just came from was room number 1, and then this one is obviously room number 2, and I think it goes a little bit further out back there as well.
What are you going to go through? That? Should we go? I'd do hall at a time if I was you. You're going to miss it then.
You're going into room 3? Huh? Oh, hopefully there's no bloody sound in this one. Cannot hear a thing. The music's so loud. This room, the 3rd room, seems to be a lot more quiet, which is nice. Okay, so basically they have this like on a walkway across the top of it where you can look over both rooms at the same time, which is actually really, really cool. Gives you a really good view of basically the whole event. So far so good, really enjoying the event, a really good mix of cars.
So everything.
I like that. Watch out guys, they're gonna sting you on the way out. They're just clocking all the number plates ready. So after going through like 3 main rooms, I thought that was the end of it, but there is actually one more. There is actually one more route.
That interior is sick.
So what do you think of the show so far, boys?
Sick, but fuck, too much loud music.
Well, yeah, for people that haven't been before, what do you think?
It's decent.
It's good?
Decent.
Out of 10?
8.
I'll give it an 8.
8? Yeah.
One loves
Yeah,
Mackie.
wait, what's the song that everyone plays? That Mackie G.
Mackie G fucking...
And we've done the whole show literally inside and out for the last like couple of hours. We come outside, there's like a multi-story car park on the outside. See it up there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go up there now and just check out and see what there is. So then, Kyle, as a rap expert, what's your opinion of
I would
this?
definitely do a split like that because it makes it a lot easier.
What do you mean a split? Oh shit, it's split, I didn't even notice. Not too sure about the kind of like the... I think a clean cut would look better, personally, but...
100%. But chrome is a nightmare, so I can see why they want to do it.
Chrome's really expensive as well, isn't
It's
it?
mega expensive, it's hard to do, very hard to maintain. That's definitely been machine polished before it come here.
So you can actually machine polish chrome.
They say you're not supposed to,
Yeah.
but you can.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Hi guys.
All the little fucking wagwags.
Yeah, little homies. With any car meet, you normally get a cars leaving compilation of like cars literally just doing like crazy burnouts and shit, and literally looking at the road right now. There is loads of people gathering on the road right now. Do a burnout. Okay. You're gonna do a little riff for me?
Maybe.
Right corner.
Rev it!
Go on, rev it, Sam, go on! We were just on the motorway on the M5 heading back home towards Bristol, and as we were overtaking this Mark IV Golf, I seen the front left tyre was like was like wobbling, like so much so it caught my eye, it caught my attention. So basically, well no, like as soon as it was wobbling, it was still going, wasn't it? The very point that we overtook it
At 70?
at 70 miles an hour, yeah, obviously 70 miles an hour M5. You suddenly said, no, you seen it go, didn't you?
Yeah, so I said
He'd seen the tyre, the whole tyre had literally come off the car, but I didn't see it, but Kyle did. So we quickly pulled in, reversed backwards up the M5. We shouldn't have really done that, a bit dodgy, but we did anyway. Yeah, just to go and help them out. So I'll show you some pictures now. Literally, the tyre is absolutely gone, all the way down to metal, all the way around. That's the tyre. That's the person there. Very, very scary, but yeah, it was a mum and son, wasn't it? And he was on his way to pick up a hoverboard or something. So
a young YouTuber.
a young YouTuber. Shout out to you guys. I hope you're watching this. And
Good deed done.
Good deed done for the day. Now it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you later.